The new CTKNS12 installation kit for the Nissan Micra allows you to install an aftermarket double-din radio whilst retaining the steering wheel controls. Start by removing the screw closest to the centre console. This needs to be removed as it is holding the main dash panel in place. Once the screw has been removed, proceed to lever out the main dash panel. With the dash panel out of the way, undo the 4 screws that hold the head unit into place. Give the head unit a sharp pull to disengage the locator clips, and proceed to disconnect all of the wiring. Take the steering wheel interface that comes within the kit and attach all relevant connections to both the head unit and vehicle. Please refer to the instruction manual for further detail. Take the trim and the fascia panel from the kit and place these over the front of the head unit. Click the fascia into place and reattach the screws. When all of this is done, reattach the main panel to complete the installation. With the CTKNS12 installed, you are able to take advantage of a new aftermarket head unit with your pre-existing steering wheel controls, whilst retaining the original aesthetic of the vehicle. We hope you enjoy your CTKNS12 experience. For any inquiries, please use the details as shown or head over to CTKNS12.com.